What is going on, y'all? It's your boy Mr. J Pro back in the building. Hope you guys are doing well. Keep it safe, doing your thing. I am so super excited to tell you guys about, I told you, April. If you've been following, I told you April is all about teaching for me. This is all about the Pixel Room. This is all about teaching knowledge about this beautiful device that we call a camera. I am going to get in depth with how you can make this camera not just a hobby. This is not just a hobby. This could be your full-time job, or it could eventually transition to being a full-time job for you, a full-time career for you. So I'm going to get into the ISO, the basics, the aperture, the shutter speed, understanding the fundamentals of the camera, this beautiful device that has literally changed my life personally. Now, the one-on-one session is going to be in either a small group of 3 to 5 people, but I'm going to give you guys all of me. Any questions that you have, that is the time to ask them, and that is when they will be answered. I get DMs like crazy about things that I just wish I could be in person to answer. So that's what this workshop is going to be about. I'm going to show you quickly. We're going to dive into Lightroom quickly. I'm going to show you some of the things that we're going to learn after you've learned this camera and the fundamentals. These are the things I'm going to be teaching you guys about in Lightroom or any photo editing software. Let's take a look. So for instance, pictures like this where it's just, I absolutely love pictures like this, but this is what the picture originally looked like. And if you see over here in the corner, you can see that's a little flash. How do you do off-camera flash? I'm going to teach you guys that, how to make your own presets in Lightroom. Right here, beautiful soft image. The flash is right there as well too. My assistant was lighting her up, and boom, when you edit it, it looks exactly like that. Those are the things that we're going to go over in the photo editing workshop, right? But you have to learn the basics first. Then maternity shoots. Parents love maternity shoots, but how do you edit the photos now? That is going to be another aspect. We're going to go over stuff like that. Then I have like my boy right here, Jay Anthony. Shout out to Jay, and shout out to my beautiful Sandra model, old friend. Beautiful image right here. Boom, boom, boom. This was the original. Now, people may like it like that. I like it like this. We're going to go over stuff like that. Then these, love contrasty, punchy, in your face type of photos. That's my type of style editing, but it's the little details that you don't see that make a photo amazing or not. So look at here, you see you got a sign right here, you got a flag. Those are things that you have to, I just realized I didn't get rid of the flag, but anyways, but that's a very, very easy fix. And you know what, I'll even just do it right here. Go to the healing tool, you could just boom, 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 and literally and the flag is gone. Okay, so it is not hard, and it literally makes or breaks a photo, but you have to understand, and there's more in-depth stuff of using Photoshop to get rid of stuff in the background. But yeah, you could go from this to that. It's the little details that matter. We're going to also learn about when you need to use a flash, when you don't need to use a flash. Look at the difference. No flash, same person, same position. With the flash, beautiful image. Then look at this beautiful couple. Shout out to my boy Travis. Congrats. This is just a boring shot, blah, 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 blah. Nothing really underexposed right here. But with a preset and right editing skills, boom, beautiful image, beautiful colors. I did a shoot for Bramley City Center recently, and I used bracketing. We're gonna go over bracketing as well too. Bracketing is very powerful when you know how to use it properly. This is the original image, right? Whatever, you could use it, but bracketing brings out all the highlights, the contrast, the shadows, the whites, the blacks, and you get to use it and edit the photo the way you want. I could talk about this all day, but in the workshop is where we're gonna get to talk and answer all your questions about video, photo, and real estate. DM me and sign up for the workshop where we could talk one-on-one in a small group, and all questions will be answered. Cannot wait to see you guys in the Pixel Room. Let's get it.
The Pixel Room.